Hi, welcome to the first video of the web development course. In this video, we will set up our coding environment where we can write our code and build beautiful projects using our coding skills. Now, before diving into coding, it's crucial to set up and configure a code editor. A code editor is an essential tool for developers, allowing us to write our code efficiently. In this video, we will guide you through the process of downloading and installing a code editor. We highly recommend using Visual Code Studio, which in our opinion is the best code editor available. The best part, it is completely free. While VS Code is our recommended code editor, there are alternatives available like Atom and many others. If you want to use Atom, you can install this from this website. I will also provide the link of the software in the video of the description. Both of these offer their own unique features. However, for the sake of consistency and to ensure a seamless learning experience, we strongly advise following this course using the same code editor, which will simplify the process for you. Remember, VS Code is accessible across all platforms, so you can download the installer specific to your operating system and proceed with the installation. So here is our download button. Just click on it and your setup will be downloaded. After downloading, I hope you know how to install any kind of software. It's the same procedure. After downloading, just open the setup file, then click next and choose the location where you want to save this, and then click on next and then click install. After that, your editor will be installed successfully. Once you have completed the installation, return to this video so we can guide you through some initial setup steps as you open VS Code. The interface may appear slightly different due to variations in color schemas and additional icons that may have been installed since this recording. However, the core functionality remains consistent. To enhance your coding experience, we recommend installing a theme that suits your preferences. You can either choose from existing themes provided within VS Code, or you can install new theme of your choice. And if you want to install new theme, click here on the extensions button. Then you can search here your specific theme which you want to install, or you can install the same theme that I am using, which is Monokai Pro. And you can see here when I type this theme, Monokai Pro is the theme that I am using. And if you want to make your VS Code look like mine, then you can install this theme. To install this theme, just click. Then here you can see the install button. Because I already installed this theme, so here on my interface, you can see I have option of uninstall. So if you want to install the theme, click on install button and simply it will be installed. Then to use this theme, click on setting button. Then come here, you can find this option themes, click, then go to color themes, and then here you will find the theme you installed previously. Click on the theme, then it will be activated. And now hope your interface is also looking like my interface. No worries, if you want to install any other theme, you can install. It's all depend upon your preferences, which you like or not. To enhance your coding experience, we recommend installing a theme that suits your preferences. You can either choose from the existing themes provided within VS Code. If you decided to use the same theme as demonstrated in this video called Monokai Pro, you can search for it in the extension tab and download it. Please note that while Monokai Pro is a paid theme, you can still use it for free with occasional reminder to purchase it. However, feel free to explore other themes that suits your taste, or even try the built-in Monokai Classic theme which closely resembles the one we use. In addition to setting up the theme, we will cover some essential VS Code settings that we recommend for an optimized learning experience. These include enabling the autosave feature. So to enable the autosave feature, you have to come in the settings here, then click on settings. By the way, you can change any settings of your extensions that you installed already from this setting option. And then here you can find the settings which you want to find. I am finding autosave, and here you set autosave setting. Here are some options, which is on window change, on focus change, and after delay and off. I turn off this because I don't want to save my file automatically. If you want, you can choose one of these options. On focus change is a good option because it will automatically save your file whenever the focus change. So click on and set this setting. After this, I will tell you the second setting that we have to change. After successfully setting up your autosave options, I want you to install two important extensions that will help in our whole coding journey, which is Prettier and Live Server. So to install Prettier extension, come to this extension tab and search Prettier here. After searching, I want you to install this one this first extension, and then I want you to click here and open this. After opening this, you can see install button here. Click on install button and it will be installed. After installing pretty successfully, we need to set this up from the set. Click on this button, then go to settings, then come into the search bar and search formatter. And here you can see our my default code formatter is Prettier code formatter, but you have to go and search for this formatter and select this one. Then this will start working automatically. The real magic of Prettier you will see during the code. Alright, this setting is done. Now we have to install our next important extension, which is called live server. Again, come here to the extension tab and search for live server. After searching live server, click on this first live server option. Now as usual, now after clicking this extension, you can see the install button here. Click on install button and it will be installed, and there is no more setting we need to do from the setting menu. And I will tell you the use of this extension when we start coding. Now I want you to quit this tab from clicking this close icon. Also quit this one, and I want to tell you a little bit more about VS Code. I want to share how you can open VS Code. You can open VS Code from the icon which is on the desktop of your computer, and also you can open any folder in VS Code. To open VS Code from any folder, go to any folder where you want to open VS Code. Just right click, then click on open with code button, and here you can see our VS Code is successfully opened. So to create a file, here we can see new file option. By clicking this button, we can create any file we want in this folder. To create HTML file, just write index.html, and after writing, press enter. Your file will be created successfully. And here are more options. If you want to create more folder in this folder, just click on this new folder button and then rename it here. And these are the important things about VS Code that I want you to know from this video. With these initial steps completed, you are now ready to proceed to the next section. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.